What is this? A pizza? No, it's a Legend liner for your van. But pizza's great too. So go get a slice, let's sit down and learn about liners together. What is the magic behind our DuraTherm wall liner? Part of it is the construction. On the outside, we have a hard plastic surface that's puncture resistant and also very resistant to scratches. On the inside, we have a honeycomb layer, providing heavyweight protection to this lightweight product. On the back, we have a foam and foil insulation layer, helping moderate temperature control and reduce road noise in your van. Legend wall liners protect the thin outside crust of your van, the metal. This is very susceptible to punctures or even dents from inside. But Clayton, you may say, my van came with an OEM wall liner. It's good enough. Why would I upgrade to a Legend one? Is it good enough? No. On the other hand, we have a Legend DuraTherm wall liner, a CNC cut suit of armor for the back of your van, designed to take the hits from life on the road, and it just looked great. The outside of your van is constructed out of thin sheet metal. While this looks robust, it's very susceptible to denting and being scratched. Now, the problem that arises there is that a dent will cause your wrap to malfunction and ultimately your van needing to be rewrapped. That's very expensive. And in worst case scenarios, crack the paint, leading to a potential rust spot on your van. Nobody wants that. Legend DuraTherm liners are basically unbreakable. Legends, like Jakey, unfortunately are breakable. While our wall liner is designed to take the big hits that these vans face every day on the road, they're also designed with the little things in mind. Its moisture-resistant qualities allow for easy cleanup, ensuring that your van looks as good as the day you bought it. While moisture resistance may not seem like a big deal in wall liners, we've seen vans upfitted with plywood wall liners in humid climates forming mildew, mold, and even mushrooms in less than 2 years, needing to be replaced. DuraTherm wall liners, they'll last the length of the life of the van. They'll always be with you, protecting your investment. Our DuraTherm wall liner is an insulated liner, and we receive questions all the time about the R value of our product. When installed on the van, and when it creates the air gap between the wall liner and the outside of the van, it provides an R value of 7 to 9. When you receive your Legend liner, it'll look something like this. Pre-cut on our CNC tables to fit your specific vehicle. Easy to install with our provided self-tapping screws or our provided push rivets. Some things to keep in mind when you're ordering your Legend liner kit. What make and model of van do I have? What wheelbase is it? And what is the roof height? Also, in some brands, you need to keep in mind, is it a single door or is it a dual door? And then you get to choose. Would you like a gray Legend DuraTherm wall liner or would you like the white? Also, while you're there, you might as well order a Legend ceiling liner. It's a great barrier from the direct sunlight that beats down on the top of your van all day, and it's also the perfect place to mount the Legend motion sensing light kits. Why Legend DuraTherm wall liners in your van? That's one reason why.